Assembling your unit is quick and easy. First, place the upper handle onto the base and push it down. Attach the handle with the 2 screws that are taped to the handle in a plastic bag. Next, insert the lower cord wrap and turn it to the left to lock into place. Then wrap the power cord around the cord release clips and clip the end of the plug to the power cord. Next, insert the end of the hose into the back of the vacuum and twist to lock into place. Now wrap the hose through the hose clip and connect the hose wand to the bottom of the vacuum. The accessories store on board the unit. The crevice tool can be found inside the extension wand.